Despite the pandemic, Expo 2020 gave us the opportunity to have a glimpse of Expo Premier Pavilion in advance compared to the opening. I'm just at the entrance of the Sustainability Pavilion, and if you consider that this is just a glimpse of the entire Expo site, and this is a result, is a fantastic experience. As a digital services premier partner and system integrator, we have been working together with Expo 2020 and Etisalat for more than 4 years right now, and we have supported Expo in designing and building the foundation from technology standpoint to provide an amazing experience for all the visitors of Expo 2020.
So Expo 2020 is the biggest event ever happened in Arab world, and we are deeply honored to support them in creating this mega-scale event, fulfill their ambition of connecting minds and creating the future. We have been working closely with Expo to make sure that we are going to deliver a one-of-a-kind experience. As a digital service premier partner, whatever we do, we are doing to fulfill the ambition of Expo 2020.
Accenture is applying best-in-class systems and combining multiple Expo 2020 technologies to create an intelligent, integrated, and seamless visitor experience. Together with partners, we are providing the operation team with a 360-degree view of the tasks, activities, issues that can come during the event. The first World Expo to be hosted in a multi-cloud environment. We are helping managing the applications and infrastructure
and providing a reliable, secure and scalable platform to host the 25 million visitors. I would like to thank Expo 2020 family as well as also all the fellow partners to have enabled a safe and secure event, and this is just a glimpse of what will happen in a few months from now.